Theta value equivalent to 19.1695 rands a coin. The present cost range: 18.3098, 19.7110. The earlier day close: 18.6085. The change was plus 0.5610, plus 3.01%. Reverse rate: ZAR to Theta. Had a cost expectation for WAC 2024. Before all else cost at 22.50 rands. Excessive cost 22.50, while low cost 17.58. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 20.37. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 18.90, change for spring 16.0%. Theta conjecture for April 2024. Before all else cost at 18.90 rands. Excessive cost 20.61, while low cost 17.91. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 19.17. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 19.26, change for April 1.9%. Theta cost expectation for May 2024. To start with cost at 19.26 rands. Exorbitant cost 20.94, while low cost 18.20. The found the middle value of cost 19.49. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 19.57, change for May 1.6%. Theta figure for June 2024. Before all else cost at 19.57 rands. Excessive cost 19.57, while low cost 16.57. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 18.38. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 17.82, change for June 8.9%. Theta cost expectation for July 2024. To start with cost at 17.82 rands. Exorbitant cost 18.59, while low cost 16.15. The found the middle value of cost 17.48. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 17.37, change for July 2.5%. Theta gauge for August 2024. To start with cost at 17.37 rands. Exorbitant cost 17.37, while low cost 14.51. The found the middle value of cost 16.21. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 15.60, change for August 10.2%. Theta cost expectation for September 2024. In the first place cost at 15.60 rands. Exorbitant cost 19.24, while low cost 15.60. The found the middle value of cost 17.11. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 17.98, change for September 15.3%. Theta gauge for October 2024. In the first place cost at 17.98 rands. Exorbitant cost 22.32, while low cost 17.98. The found the middle value of cost 19.79. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 20.86, change for October 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for November 2024. First and foremost cost at 20.86 rands. Exorbitant cost 22.67, while low cost 19.71. The found the middle value of cost 21.11. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 21.19, change for November 1.6%. Theta estimate for December 2024. First and foremost cost at 21.19 rands. Exorbitant cost 23.04, while low cost 20.02. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 21.45. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 21.53, change for December 1.6%. Theta cost expectation for January 2025. Before all else cost at 21.53 rands. Excessive cost 25.24, while low cost 21.53. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 22.97. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 23.59, change for January 9.6%. Theta conjecture for February 2025. At the outset cost at 23.59 rands. Excessive cost 24.85, while low cost 21.59. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 23.31. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 23.22, change for February 1.6%. Theta cost expectation for WAC 2025. At the outset cost at 23.22 rands. Excessive cost 23.22, while low cost 19.26. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 21.60. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 20.71, change for spring 10.8%. Theta figure for April 2025. Initially cost at 20.71 rands. Excessive cost 25.27, while low cost 20.71. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 22.58. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 23.62, change for April 14.1%. Theta cost expectation for May 2025. First and foremost cost at 23.62 rands. Exorbitant cost 23.62, while low cost 20.45. The found the middle value of cost 22.42. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 21.99, change for May 6.9%. Theta estimate for June 2025. First and foremost cost at 21.99 rands. Exorbitant cost 23.90, while low cost 20.78. The found the middle value of cost 22.25. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 22.34, change for June 1.6%. Theta cost expectation for July 2025. To start with cost at 22.34 rands. Exorbitant cost 24.29, Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 22.70, change for July 1.6%. Theta conjecture for August 2025. Before all else cost at 22.70 rands. Excessive cost 28.17, while low cost 22.70. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 24.98. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 26.33, change for August 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for September 2025. Before all else cost at 26.33 rands. Excessive cost 32.68, while low cost 26.33. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 28.97. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 30.54, change for September 16.0%. Theta gauge for October 2025. In the first place cost at 30.54 rands. Exorbitant cost 33.20, while low cost 28.86. The found the middle value of cost 30.91. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 31.03, change for October 1.6%. Theta cost expectation for November 2025. In the first place cost at 31.03 rands. Exorbitant cost 33.74, while low cost 29.32. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 31.41. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 31.53, change for November 1.6%. Theta figure for December 2025. Initially cost at 31.53 rands. Excessive cost 33.72, while low cost 29.30. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 31.52. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 31.51, change for December 0.1%. Theta cost expectation for